Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upgrade to Amino Plus. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Amino app, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, where exactly can you find Amino? Pretty simple. You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. So once you launch any of those applications, search for Amino. Now follow through with the on-screen instructions to install, and after installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page for the app. Once you get in there, you're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. Now, after signing in successfully, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Amino. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop in today's task, and that is how to upgrade to Amino Plus. So from here, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile icon or your profile picture. Click on that. That's going to take you right into this window. So right here you have try Amino Plus for free today. Now you can click on that, but there's another way to go about that. At the top right corner of your screen where you have the three hamburger lines or the hamburger menu, is going to take you here. Now you have community profiles, you have accounts, you have membership, my wallet, and down to settings. Go ahead and click on membership. And once you click on membership, it takes you here. Amino Plus membership. What are your benefits? Custom chat bubbles, tons of stickers, discounted profile frames, all the moods, high resolution images, cool badge, check-in streak repair. You have early access to new features. All of these actually sounds like a cool idea, right? So go ahead and click on this try it for free, and it takes you here. So you can use a monthly membership. That's 3-month membership, which is 2,520 naira, or 6-month membership, which is 4,680 naira. It saves 77%. Or you can use a 12-month membership that saves 7% as well, which costs a total of 9,350 naira. So once you do that, go ahead and click on start your 7-day free trial, and that's going to take you to the next window where you can now add payments. So you can click on add credit or debit card and enter your debit card or your credit card details and make payment from there. So this is pretty much how you can upgrade to Amino Plus. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.